Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I feel weird doing it with that. Let me put you here. Hi guys, can you stop? Hi guys, welcome back to my, can you check the voice? Check the voice. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to the notification gang. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Thank you. We can continue. In today's video, it's just gonna be like a little vlog type of thing. Not really, but sort of. The reason why I'm here is because I wanted to discuss with you guys a small tiny little thing. I always get DMs about this. I was like, you know what? My arm's getting tired. That's what. Better. Now I got my selfie stick hooked up. This is better. It gives you more space, a bigger view. Love it. So what was I saying? This is a terrible video. But I think it's kind of nice because, you know, majority of the time we have these sort of not perform, but like sit down, things like that. I miss doing vlogs, and the reason why I say that is because someone actually messaged me and was like, can you do more vlogs? And I was like, sis, I've been in the house for like 4 months now. There's not really much I can vlog about. Anyway, the reason why I wanted to just whip the camera out and put this out for you guys is because I've been getting a lot of questions about hair, what products should I use, with which I've done a video on that, but I decided let's make it a little bit more personal, and let me give you some of the information that I don't give in the videos when I talk about it. So I just recently got this new tub that's got all my hair care products. I've actually thrown away a lot of stuff because I had a lot of stuff in there that was expired or I don't actually use and things like that. So we've got my tub here, and we're just going to go through some of the products that I have in here, and also I'm just going to give you guys some little tips and tricks for those of you who have been asking what product should I get, what things should I get, because I think the main problem here is money, with which don't even feel bad, because even myself, when I start thinking about how much Shea moisture shampoo and conditioner costs, my heart flutters. When I start thinking about leave-in conditioner, oh my god, I get a headache. So I completely understand. And when I first started being natural as well, I didn't have the type of money that I do have now, and even now I don't spend that much on my hair as much as other people do. I think I spend more on my skincare. Problematic. So we'll start off with leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner that I always have and will continue to use is Cantu leave-in. And when YouTube first started sort of becoming a big thing about natural hair, a lot of people were using Cantu, then people stopped using Cantu, so I started using Cantu at that time as well, and my hair liked it. My hair continues to like it. So a lot of people have a lot to say about Cantu, but listen, she likes it, so doesn't really matter. The products here in Australia are limited, so I would love to take you guys one day onto a trip to Footscray, which is like outside of the city, about an hour and a bit away from my house, and we can go check out my favorite African store, which has a large variety of natural hair products and stuff like that. Maybe I might actually invest and buy some stuff here in Australia so that people in Australia can see that the stuff is also there, and so also I can try it out once stores open and things like that. Once we're let out, that's something that I've been wanting to do and I want to do, and also so you guys can see what our beauty supply or African shop looks like, because I know some people are really wanting to see that. So that's what I first started off with. And then the oil that I used when I first started off with was coconut oil. Till this day, I still use coconut oil. As you can see, I have this big one. Before this one, I had an even bigger one that I got from Costco. So I go through coconut oil very quickly, and also I use coconut oil for my skin sometimes, especially in summer when you want to be glowing, you know, you want to be glistening. So I use coconut oil for my body and all that kind of stuff. And this was pretty much all I used when I first started my natural hair routine. So for those of you who are asking what's important, I know you're probably asking because you're trying to see what you should invest in, an oil and a leave-in. The shampoo that I used during that time was Tresemme, because that's what my mom bought. Now my mom uses my shampoo because she has natural hair. Now she's changed and she's done a flip on us. She doesn't buy shampoo anymore, or she still does. She buys Tresemme, but she uses mine because she's seen the difference in it. So what matters is to wash your hair. If the product is stripping, yes, it's stripping, but if that's what you can afford, that's what you can afford. What matters is that you then replenish that oil with your leave-in and this. You don't have to dye. You don't have to come and dye to be natural. You don't have to sell your organs. You don't have to do any of that kind of stuff. It's really not meant to be that stressful as people make it out to be. As time progresses, you will grow with your routine. You will grow with your products. You will grow. I never used to have all this stuff. I've grown into it. You will grow into it as well. As you start getting more, you start investing more and things like that. So those are the first two that I had. After that, I went into some oils. I got Jamaican black castor oil. And I got this from the African shop in Footscray as well. And I got it extra dark. And those were the three that I started using. And they were pretty much all that I used for the first 2 to 3 years of my natural hair routine. Then I started using some more natural hair products and I got into Shea Moisture. That's when I started using the Shea Moisture coconut range, their shampoo and conditioner. And then I also got into the Shea Moisture coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie. When I first got this, I didn't understand how to use it. Now I understand. It's a curl enhancer. It's not a leave-in. So there's that. That's when I got into the Manuka honey and Mafura oil range. Let me tell you something. If you're trying to figure out which Shea... Oh! I don't know who it is, but somebody doesn't want you to prosper. Someone doesn't want your hair to flourish. Rebuke that spirit. Somebody doesn't want your hair to flourish. Anyway, this range, if you're trying to figure out which range to get, especially if you have type 4C hair, the Manuka honey and Mafura oil range is where it's at. I'm nearly finished. I will be restocking this with my own money. I will be rebuying it. It's gonna hurt me to spend like $60 on it, but this is what I'll be buying. I'll wait until Priceline has a sale, actually. Correction. I'll wait for Priceline. So then I started using this. This is currently what I use for my hair. Currently, this is, by the way, I also still already use these products. This is my natural hair routine. Then I got into masks and I started using masks. The mask that I use and only use these days is the Manuka honey and Mafura oil intensive hydration mask. If you've watched the video, you know that it is bomb. You know the curl definition that it gives my hair. My hair loves this product. And then I started getting into more oils. Jojoba oil. I really love jojoba oil. As you can see, I'm nearly finished with this one. Love jojoba oil. It's so light. My hair really loves it, and it just gives you that nice little glisten. And I put this in my hair, especially when I'm taking out my hair, so that there's that nice extra shine as well. And then avocado oil. I recently bought this one from Zimbabwe. To be honest, I think it's expired because I've had it in my hair and I've been putting it on my scalp, and my scalp is so itchy, so itchy. So I'm going to discontinue this one. I'm going to stop using it because my hair, either my scalp doesn't like it or it's expired. Either one of the two. There's no expiration date, so you tell me. Shea butter. When I first got shea butter, I didn't really like it because it was so heavy on my hair, and my hair, as you can see, my hair is very light. It's very light. So when I first, my afro wasn't coming out the way that I wanted it to. It was looking dry, heavy, but I realized that it just depends on your hair type and how you use it. Now usually I'll use it in winter to seal. In winter, if I'm going to be wearing a protective style or having my hair like out for a really long time, or I'll use it for my scalp in winter, and I don't use it like I would use a leave-in. Some people use it like they would use a leave-in. I don't. I use it more to seal or to like warm it up in the palm of my hands. So guys, it's really not that deep. Natural hair is not as stressful as people try and make it out to be. I know sometimes I even try and make it out to be this stressful, scary, whatever, but it's really not. And don't let people make it seem like it is. It's not like that. It's not that deep. Just start. If you can't afford anything, just make sure that you wash your hair. Just make sure that you find it oil. Just make sure that you have the bare minimums. If you have a little bit of extra money you're willing to invest, start with the basics: a leave-in conditioner and oil. Then you can start getting into all those other stuff that you want. And yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. We are still in lockdown, for those of you who care. Our lockdown has been extended by another 2 weeks, and then we'll see what happens from there. So pray for me because I'm tired. That's the end of the video, guys. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts. If you like these type of videos, let me know so I can continue to do them while I'm in lockdown and things like that. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Make sure to ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video every time it's posted.